my journey really began. That turning point for me was when I realized that I was turning into somebody that I didn't want to be, and that was happening to me through success, actually, at work. Um, and a colleague helped me see who I was turning into. And she's a dear friend, and I'll never be able to thank her enough. And I had to step back and say, what in the world is going on here? I'm becoming, in my character, a human being I used to make fun of and despise. And I realized in that moment, boy, all those people, the old burned out husks of human beings that we made fun of as young people after work over a beer, started out pretty much like me. And they also were being deformed by their work over time. And so for me, the great insight was, Suzanne, that we're formed more powerfully by our work than we form it. That the tools we use, the habits of thought, the systems that we routinely employ, the way we think about the persons around us and the persons we don't see who are vital to our work, like customers or students or whatever, that those habits and processes, the cultures of the organizations, the processes, procedures, all those things are shaping us as we use them. Sort of like the handle of a hammer shapes the hand of a carpenter over our lifetime. And that many people are deformed by those experiences because work is a part of a fallen world. Remember, the curse in the Genesis story isn't on work, it's on fruitlessness. Cursed is the ground because of your failure here. And so toil is what the curse is. Work that's not fruitful. Work has many consequences. And one of them is, be careful, you're turning into somebody while you do it. And you might want to be aware and look for a way to make it formative rather than deforming.